Welcome to Pydle Day 119. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a tulip, so have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you some tips how to play, or if you just want to watch how to do Pydle and stick around. Okay, so yesterday's Pydle was a watermelon. So let's have a go at solving that. There's no symmetry, so I mean it's symmetry around this axis, so we'll make use of that, or rather symmetry around the diagonal. So what I am going to do is I'm going to turn the y-axis around. So I'm going to do, instead of Pydle coordinates going from 0 to 4, I'm going to go from 0 from the bottom and upwards, because that's going to help us with that diagonal. Okay, so let's do the whites first, and if that diagonal is where x equals y, what you can say, if x less than y, do white. So we're going to miss out that diagonal, and I do this really often. So that's the reversing of the axis. Okay, so that works. And then this little corner there, what we can say, or x greater than. So you can either experiment. So x greater than y is just that. So we see we need to shift it by 2 pixels. Okay, so that's the nice thing about Pydle, is you can experiment. Okay, so what's left is basically the whole body of the watermelon. So now what we're going to do is first do the greens. So we've got two kind of simple cases where y equals 0 or x equals 4. Okay, so that does that. And now we've got one more green pixel to fill in. And we can say or x. So x equals 3, y equals 1. So we can create a tuple and just say x comma y equals 3 comma 1. Or a different way of writing that is to say if we want to say kind of a chain comparison, and so I want to say x equals 3, but in the same statement we just want to say y as well. So where x is 3, y is 1, so we need to add 2 to y, and now we can use the same comparison. X, it's basically the same length really as the tuple. Okay, so that's correct. Now all you need is the else for the reds. Okay, but that's not the complete picture. We need to add the small black square emoji, which is that one. Black small square. Yeah, I always struggle to get the emojis in there. Tell you what, I'm just gonna copy it over. Okay. Okay. There you go. That solves the watermelon. If you like this Pydle, then have a go yourself. You can basically follow this code or try and solve it by yourself. And then don't forget to have a go at the tulip. And I will come back tomorrow with a solution.